Hello, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is April 19th, and I'm doing a price analysis for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin's monthly chart, and before I get into a review of my last video and what I'm seeing now, I just want to quickly go over what I have been paying attention to over the last month, or actually several months, with Bitcoin's price, and what makes me think that we could be seeing a new rally starting. And that is mostly behind my observation of the MACD of Bitcoin. And we can clearly see that in the MACD we have two signal lines, the blue line and the yellow line. And as they get farther apart, it shows a change in direction. When they get further apart, we see the price spiking, and then clearly that we can see the lines coming back together, the price coming back down. Then a death cross happens in the MACD, and the price of Bitcoin continues to fall. The MACD comes into oversold territory, and now we're starting to see the signal lines coming closer together as the MACD moves back higher again, and as the price moves higher again. So that's my reasoning behind a new rally in Bitcoin. We clearly saw one back here. The cross happened way back. This chart actually doesn't go far enough back, but anyways, you get the idea of what I'm seeing and what I think could be in our future, which is a golden cross sometime happening in May or June, and the price of Bitcoin should test or break above the $6,000 price level. So in getting on the review of last week's video, last week I posted a video on the 11th, which was Thursday. I deleted everything that I had except for the price levels here. The 4650 level is support. 5,000 now has become support. 5,000 was a long time resistance level for the price of Bitcoin. It now has made 5490 a resistance level, as well as 6,000. 6,000 is a major resistance level. Bitcoin's going to have to break that to see new money and to see old investors get excited about Bitcoin again. It's going to need to break the $6,000 level. But the pattern that I see in the price of Bitcoin now is an ascending channel. It is kind of broad. I would say it's kind of narrow and kind of broad. It's a little bit in between. In my point of view, channels are meant to be broken, especially ones about this size. All of them are technically meant to be broken, and they really, when they are broken, it's a sign of which way of consensus of the investors. Right now, we can see investors are trading Bitcoin up, and at its current trajectory, we should see Bitcoin break above 6,000 sometime before the end of June. However, it could push straight up sometime before then. And that would, if it does do that, it would break the channel to the upside and show us clearly that investors are moving into Bitcoin and breaking it higher, where if it breaks below the channel, it will be an obvious sign that this rally isn't going to happen right now, and that we will likely see it test 5,000 and 4650 again. But that doesn't really seem to be in the cards. I'm still paying attention to the monthly chart, then the MACD, and I'm really hoping and looking forward to it breaking the $6,000 level sometime between now and the end of June. So that's it for now. I look forward to talking to you again next week, really. I will be looking for patterns in the chart, and when I find one, if something is more obvious, I will point it out to you. So until then, I hope you all have a great Easter weekend, and take care, and God bless.